This is a probability question. This is a question in which computing the probability of the event which is a complement to what is asked and then finding out the probability for the event is the easiest way to approach this question. Start by looking at what the question is. A pair of dice is tossed. The probability of not getting the sum 8 is what? Right? You need to find out the number of outcomes in which the sum is not equal to 8 divided by the total number of outcomes. This is how one should have gone. But how we are going to solve is we're going to find out the complement of this event. You don't want the sum to be 8, so the complement event is going to be that the sum is 8. So we're going to find out the probability that the sum is equal to 8, and then to find the probability that the sum is not equal to 8, we're going to subtract this from 1, right? So 1 minus probability of sum is equal to 8 is what is going to give us the final answer. You're tossing a pair of dice. So the first die will show 6 outcomes, second will show 6 outcomes. So 36 is the total number of outcomes, which is our denominator for this calculation. Let's list down the favorable events where you get the sum as 8. This is what we are trying to find out. Sum equals 8. What are all the outcomes? 1 plus a maximum of 6 gives us only a 7. So 1 comma something is not going to give us 8 as a sum. 2 comma 6 is 1, that will give us. In 2 nothing else will give us. 3 comma 5 will give us a sum of 8. 4 comma 4 is going to give us a sum of 8. 5 comma 3 will give us a sum of 8. And 6 comma 2 will give us a sum of 8. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 outcomes give you a sum of 8. So the probability of getting the sum is equal to 8 is equal to number of outcomes in which the sum is 8 divided by total number of outcomes, which is 36. What we need is the probability of the sum not being 8, which is 1 minus the probability of sum equal to 8. This value we have computed it to be equal to 5 by 36, which is 1 minus 5 by 36, or 31 by 36 is the answer. Among the answer options, 31 by 36 is choice B.